Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the DIY Crafty Muse. My name is Vicky. Come with me while I visit two of my local Target dollar spots to see what I can find. I shopped at the end of July, so we're going into August, where I found lots of items that were back to school, regular home decor, and going into a little bit of fall. These beauty organizers with the wood top, as well as the bento boxes that I just showed, for $5 would be a great addition to your lunchbox or to your bathroom countertop. I did find some of these miscellaneous mini candles but they didn't really follow a season. These globe and treasure box shaped containers are super cute. I can imagine they'd be great for back to school or maybe even a kid's party. Probably even fill them up with candies and save these for Valentine's Day. These cute ceramic soup mugs are great for your own kitchen, or you can pick up a couple and bring them to friends and family when they might be feeling a little under the weather. Next we have some of these wooden risers. These are great for your kitchen. There's a vase a little bit later that I think would go perfect with one of these. How they've been introducing some of this natural wood color. I'm really excited about these next jars that I found. I love these. I think these would look great in your bathroom. You could fill them up with some like bath beads, bath salts, those things that you might throw into your bathtub. I found these were only $3 a piece. It's not really my style, but I wanted to make sure I include things that don't, just because it's not my style doesn't mean that it's not yours. I also found these $5 water bottles. It is a great find if you have not found previously the ones that they had in the regular Target section. They're a little bit bigger, but still not a bad buy. But if you can find those other larger ones, I would go with that. These plates were pretty cute. Again, not my style, but that might look great in somebody's bathroom. And these were super cute. These were kind of a paint, like a do-it-yourself DIY kit. So you could paint the pottery. I think this would be great for anybody to do, maybe with kids, but even as like a fun group, outing with your friends. I thought these frames were very, very sturdy. They were like a ceramic, and for $3 a piece, if this is your decoration style, I thought that was a really good deal. Remember those cutting board risers I just showed you, the white and the natural wood? I thought these vases would look really well, like paired with some greenery. These food containers with the wooden tops I think are absolutely adorable. The one thing you should know about these is that wooden top right there is not dishwasher safe. So if you like to throw everything into the dishwasher, these are not for you. I found a couple knick-knack things that might be getting prepared for Christmas and stocking stuffers. I find that some of these are kind of random at each of your Targets, so don't forget, check it out. Each one kind of carries something different. These next couple items I really thought were great for if you've got, or somebody who's going to be going off to college, particularly, going into their first apartment or into their first dorm. They had some really cute sets. This was a brush washer, some cute little towels, as well as those trays that we just saw. These were ranging between like $3 and $5, but they had some miniature organization pieces. They're a little bit fancier than what I would find in kind of like the school or the kids section. So I thought these would be great as kind of a little, gift package. If again, you can buy it for your own child, or if you know somebody, a friend or family member that's going off to school, kind of a sending off gift. These are small enough that would fit perfectly in a gift basket. These next couple items are great for my crafters. So these are some nice wood blanks at $3 a piece. They're pretty thick, so it's a little bit more expensive than what you would find at the Dollar Tree. But again, the wood is a little bit thicker. This would be great for anything that you might want to add, you know, Cricut vinyl to, or even paint on. They also have a different version. I don't know if you remember these from last year, but these cute little metal hanging signs. I did notice on this one it was blank, so again, blank canvas for anybody who wants to craft on it. So I included these next few pieces. These were, I don't know what you would call the materials, like wicker, but I will tell you, like, I wasn't super impressed. They felt pretty flimsy, so just buyer beware. This cute little, they had this, I think it was like a little coffee cart last year, so that's back just in a different color, and a few shelves. I think these next few items were left over from summer. I found this cute green vase, which again, I felt like it still had a little bit of that summer theme. I don't know, does anybody know how you can tell which season it's from? Maybe it's on the price tag. If you do, leave a comment. Again, these were kind of like the blue floral. I found these towels, that contact paper, and they did have a couple pillows that matched. Now here's where some of the fall comes in. I found these cute fall colored thin blankets. They're very, very soft. More of the college prep items. And this is where we start getting into, I believe this is fall, some of these cute little soft pillows. Chill zone. Again, I think those actually would be pretty great going in that you know, college gift basket, or it would be great for just your own home. Both stores were kind of in between seasons, so the fall portion was very, very small, and again, things were kind of scattered around, but they did have these raffia type pumpkins that came in with some super cute colors. I don't know if the color's coming through, but that was like a gray, greenish. They have the traditional orangey, peachy looking, and then of course like a tan. They had these, what I thought was fluffy, as well as these ceramic pumpkins. I think these look adorable how they are, or you could paint them. One thing is the pumpkins that looked soft and squishy, they actually were hard, so I'm not quite sure. It didn't feel like styrofoam in the center, but just if you're ordering those online. Then I found these cute little foxes and these acorns. I think those would be so cute, and you could paint them to match your decoration. These little mini signs and mini pumpkins. These were actually pretty cute. I don't have a lot of gold in my house, but again, I think if you have an open mind, you know, you can paint anything to match any of your decor. I did definitely pick up a couple of these signs. I love the little home signs, and I love the different shapes. So I grabbed one of each of these, and I'll use them in one of my future videos. Again, more of these little signs. You know, I think this is great. If you don't use a Cricut, if you don't craft, I think these look so cute on like tiered trays, just as they are. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see future DIY projects as well as some of my future Shop With Me's. They had some of the larger signs, all coming again in the fall. I'm sure there might be some more signs coming out. They did have some blank signs. Again, I'm not quite sure this is something that's coming for Halloween. It was just a plain black. I did pick that up so I can use it in one of my crafting projects coming up soon. But again, a lot of these are so cute, you can use them as they are. Thanks so much for coming to shop with me. Check out a few of my other videos, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I hope you have a fantastic week.